Bob's your uncle. In the 19th century, British Prime Minister Robert Gascoigne Cecil appointed his nephew Arthur Balfour as Chief Secretary for Ireland. This was a case of nepotism, where someone is favoured for a job based on family connection rather than skill. Bob is a shortened form of the name Robert, so the phrase literally meant that everything is easy for you when your uncle is a Prime Minister Bob. This is a popular theory about where this phrase originated. Nowadays, the meaning of the idiom has strayed away from its possible historical roots in nepotism. Today, if we say, Bob's your uncle, we mean that something is easy to do or achieve. It's similar to saying, and there you have it, or to American phrase, easy as pie. Example 1. Imagine a tourist approaches you for directions on the street. Excuse me, could you please help me? I'm trying to find the Museum of Art, but I'm a bit lost. You may answer him, just walk straight down this path until you reach a large fountain. Turn right, and Bob's your uncle, the museum will be right in front of you. In this example, Bob's your uncle means that getting to the museum is very easy. Just follow a few simple steps and you're done. Example 2. Here's an example you might see in advertising. Just buy our business courses. Follow 10 simple steps and Bob's your uncle. You will become rich. In this context, the phrase is used to create false expectations that becoming rich is easy. In reality, it can take a lot of effort, trying, and luck. In conclusion, Bob's your uncle means something can be done easily. Native English speakers frequently use idioms in their speech, so use Bob's your uncle next time when something seems simple and Bob's your uncle, you sound like a native speaker.